We're building the Winston 3, number 5241 in Florida. Mike, Roxanne, and our mascot, Maisey.
We chose the house designers because they had a good selection of plans we could choose from, and also because we could get electronic versions of the plans and be able to modify them as needed. We needed a crescent-shaped type home that would fit on our pie-shaped lot that we had purchased. I really like the kitchen. I like the relationship of the kitchen to the octagonal room and the dining room. And also we added a screen room which we can access from 2 different points for entertaining.
And we included a vaulted kitchen ceiling and added a skylight for natural lighting. The house designers was very easy to work with the entire process. We had many options for purchase and modification available to us, and that's why we selected the house designers. The larger master bedroom would have been nicer, so we would have improved that, increased the size of that room just a little bit.
What I like about this oven is, of course, you can tell that it's a smaller top and a regular oven on the bottom, but don't let that fool you. Inside, you have the microwave, but you also can broil and bake in it by just sliding in this tray, and it's easily wipeable because it is stainless inside. On the bottom oven, my special features that I like about this particular oven, first of all, is its size, and I can do whatever I need to do. But what I like is that I can slide out something that's heavy, so I don't have to just bend over and have it strain my back. And I can put this in any position that I want, depending on what it is that I'm cooking. I love this ceramic glass cooktop. I love that it has the 5 burners, but in addition to the 5 burners, you also have 3 additional burners, so it's expandable in a way. I also like that you have touch controls. And these touch controls are lockable, so that if you have little ones or something, you can always lock it down so that they don't inadvertently burn their fingers. The 2 things that I like about this hood, first of all, is that it's a very fine mesh screen that goes over the components that draws the air. But also, I like where the lights are located on this, because when I turn it on, it illuminates the whole cook surface, so that I'm not straining to see what I'm cooking.